What is up, guys? TechRax here. Today we're going to be doing a drop test on the new iPhone XS. I haven't made one of these drop tests in a while from 100 feet. This is the silver one, and what I have here today, guys, is the egg sitter. What this thing is it's like a super durable cushion for sitting down. If you actually put an egg on here, they claim that the egg won't crack. So I want to see if I just put an iPhone here right in the middle. We're going to tape it up, drop it from the top floor 100 feet. Will it survive, guys? Okay, so we have everything set up. We put some duct tape here on the phone to just make sure it's secure. There's actually a camera down there to capture some slow-mo if I get any. Hopefully no one jacks that camera, but let's just go ahead and do it. Egg sitter, and whenever you're ready. Oh, I think it landed upside down, did it? I don't know. Let's go ahead and check out what happened. This is how it landed. I have no idea. I didn't actually see how it landed, but check this out. It looks like it survived, but there's a little bit of a corner, some sort of dent or crack on the display. Let me just take this phone out of here. Oh, it did crack. There you go. So there's the impact on this corner, a little bit on that corner as well. But guys, overall this phone survived. These corners look good. Actually, there's a little bit of a dent right here on that stainless steel. The back looks good and the front looks good. Everything works. The egg sitter works. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thanks for watching. As always, stay tuned for more videos and peace out.